Hi, welcome back to the channel. It's Bea. When we bought the Wrangler One Touch top, I wanted grab handles that matched the ones that were in my husband's Gladiator. And so I excitedly ordered them, and I thought I ordered the right ones. We went to put them in and they didn't fit. Wah, wah. Super sad. So my husband Brian, wonderful as he is, went to Walmart and found something. He bought one so we could try it out. Da-da-da. And here it is. Now we have installed all four. It is a Rapid. It's designed for, I think, hoses or wires or plugs, and Rapid. This is not a paid promotion or anything like that. I'm not making any money off of this. I'm just here to save you guys a ton of money, because these are $5, I think. They're about $5 each. The ones from Mopar, I think for the set was 40, 45, something like that.
And they didn't work.
And they didn't work. So if you look, if you want to pan in here real quick, Brian, if you look, it wraps right around the One Touch, doesn't affect anything. They work really well. They're a little bit lower, so you can actually use it as a grab handle, because there's nothing worse than trying to get your hand up in a really high one. So I use it when I get in the car. That we use it for all of it. The little ones have their little grab handles.
What?
The only thing I would say with these, just a heads up, when you off-road and you don't have anyone in the back, you might consider a pool noodle or something on here, because sometimes if you're really like
why not just take it off and put it back on?
Yeah, you can take it off. It kind of bangs on the window. If you air down, not a problem. If you're not going to air down, it's definitely a problem. So yeah, wrap it.
Awesome. So what, 20 bucks for all of them, basically? 4 of them for $20?
4 for $20 at Walmart. They may have them some other places, but Walmart's probably the least expensive that you're gonna find it.
It's called Rapid.
Yep, Rapid's for cords, hoses, things like that. When you put it in, this is what goes around the One Touch top. Super nice handle, plastic. It's got this rubber piece that's really nice. They're strong. I think I like them better than the Mopar ones, which is kind of a big statement, but we'll have to show you a little clip of our Gladiator, but Brian's got the Mopar ones, and I just like these better. I think they're designed for your hand really well.
Comfortable?
Comfortable. Only had that one issue when I went off-roading.
Can you climb up? Show me how you climb up there.
You climb up with my handle here, see?
Ooh.
So it works. It's great. The kids love it. I love it.
Were they difficult to install?
No. Well, no.
You do got to sneak them up through there.
You do, yeah. You have to kind of finagle, because if you have the One Touch top, you already know, because you're familiar with it, how little space is up here for the One Touch. But if you slide, you know, back and forth, it goes in super duper quick. It took us, I don't know, 5 minutes maybe, if that.
Awesome. Don't forget, like and subscribe.
Yep.
Smash that thumbs up button. Bell. The bell. Bing.
It'll let you know when we have new videos.
That's right. Unsolicited.